Titles may vary from company to company, but managers share similar duties no matter what industry they're in. And in carrying out those duties, managers wear a number of hats. First, a manager must be a project manager. This means directing the day-to-day activities of a team of employees while keeping tabs on the department's resources. When a specific task or project comes in, the manager decides what resources, be they people, equipment, or funds, should be devoted to its completion. Second, a manager must serve as a coach. Sometimes a manager can pick the people for his team. Other times, he or she is given a core group of people to work with. Either way, the manager needs to take the time to work with employees, helping them reach and maintain their optimal job performance. Finally, a manager needs to be a leader. That means developing a vision and direction for the team that is consistent with the organization's goals, as well as keeping the team on task to achieve those goals. In addition, no matter what hat the manager has on, there are certain duties that will make up a large part of his or her daily routine. These include, first, communication. Managers need to communicate what is necessary for people to do their jobs and put it in the appropriate context. When employees understand the company's strategy and their part in it, they feel greater motivation to work toward fulfilling the company's vision. Second, delegation. By delegating tasks, managers give their employees additional responsibility and an opportunity to learn. At the same time, managers must remain accessible and approachable so employees can ask for guidelines and assistance as necessary. Success is a lot less likely if a manager is not there for his or her employees. Third, assignments. It's up to the manager to match up job assignments with employees' skill sets and to train employees in order to close any knowledge gaps. Fourth, organization. The manager schedules meetings and deadlines, makes sure vacations don't leave the department short-handed during crunch time, and puts employees into work groups to handle specific tasks. Fifth, culture. It falls to the manager to maintain a healthy corporate culture within the department. If employees aren't talking to one another or morale is low, the manager needs to step in, figure out what the problem is, and implement effective solutions. Sixth, coaching. A manager helps people move along their desired career path. This can include individualized training, specific job assignments, or one-on-one meetings to discuss goals and future projects. Seventh, trust. The manager needs to establish a relationship with each of his or her employees, and those relationships should be based on trust. When there's mutual trust, a team becomes much more productive. Eighth, recognition. People need to be recognized for the work they do. Managers should publicly acknowledge contribution and effort, and in a timely manner. Letting employees know their work is appreciated increases morale and spurs continued performance. Ninth, reporting. Even after becoming a manager, you will still have someone to report to. It's up to you to keep your boss informed of what's going on in your department and to let him or her know about your successes and travails. With the title of manager comes great responsibility and heightened expectations. But by working with your employees, it's possible to establish yourself quickly and find your footing so that you continue to climb.